Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden. Today we're cleaning up a different part of our yard that you haven't really seen a lot of, or we've been trying to actually hide from.
We have been trying to hide those from you, and I'm sure you've caught some glimpses of it because it's just kind of, oh my God, I'm embarrassed to even show this.
To the side there.
We kind of were aware that this was becoming a problem because we've been busy. We wrote a book. We've got a lot of other pursuits going on, different garden projects and things. And
yeah, you know, there's places around the yards where things might accumulate. Things get stacked up and forgotten about, and then they stay there for a little while, and then it's a little while longer, and then things start to break down, and it just doesn't look that good anymore. And well, that's where we're at today. That's where we're at with this area, and we're gonna get that cleaned up.
We're totally rationalizing our mess right now. Oh my gosh, this is embarrassing. We also built a tool shed recently, and some of the stuff that was on that side of the house that we kind of forgot about sort of got moved out to the front, so that's what some of this is as well. So should we show them?
Yep, let's show them.
Yeah, so,
okay, here
well,
we go.
we've got some highlights to point out. Really cute old antique potting table.
Oh, yeah.
Well, it's not even antique. This was just refurbished.
Look down at the bottom
really
there.
cute.
Oh yeah, look at all the stuff down there.
It's never really been big enough to actually work on, but it was a cute piece out here, you know, and we have a nice little pathway leading up to it.
Yeah, we built that path
you can't
and then
even
just started
see.
collecting stuff.
Oh
over a
my
couple
gosh,
years.
you guys, this is ridiculous.
Yeah, we've got old tiki torches. We've got a little, like, I think that's a sprinkler, that blue sprinkler there. We got another sprinkler on the top. Other suns, and there's old dog
I know, I love
balls
those.
and
Gotta hang
tiki
those up.
torch, the torch part of the tiki torches, excess wood, scissors. Are those scissors?
Those are scissors.
Oh my God.
Well, and then all of these extra pots, this was kind of left over from last planting season.
Yeah.
Everything just sort of got collected over here after we transplanted them out into the yard. So a lot of this can go in the greenhouse.
Mm-hmm.
So I think probably a good strategy. What do you think? We've got a bunch of bins ready to go over here.
Yep, so we've got yard waste, recycle, and then garbage.
Yeah, sadly, there might be a little more garbage than recycle, but we'll see. We have some obstacles in the way here. I don't know if this isn't really part of our cleanup, but we've got this awesome beer barrel that our nephew gave us, and we're gonna be soon cutting this in half to get two planter containers out of it. Isn't that gonna be awesome, you guys?
Yep, pretty cool.
We need to probably do that soon, huh? Because it's kind of right in the way here. So
yep, get it out of the path there, get it placed. So
it's
yeah,
pretty cool. I can't
list.
wait to do that. So that'll be a video coming up.
Mm-hmm.
So don't mind that. We're not going to be moving that today, but our goal is to clean and be able to see the ground, I think.
Let's do it.
I know. Wish us luck, you guys. Here we go.
Hey everybody, well, so you saw us get it all cleaned up. What a difference it makes. Oh my gosh.
I mean, those kind of transformations are always so rewarding. And you know, I'm a little worried that now that this is all clear, it's just gonna fill up with stuff again.
Yeah.
So we just have to be mindful. And we're not sure what we're gonna do with this space, but it's all cleaned out now.
Yep.
You can actually see this old potting table.
Oh, yeah.
And
Look at it.
yeah, we still have our buckets and stuff here, but that's okay.
Yeah.
So as spring rolls around and you know we start using this area a lot more often, I'm sure we'll find some creative uses for this space, but it's nice to be able to see it again.
If you have any questions about what we did or how we did it, leave your comments down below for us. We'll get back to you. We love hearing from you. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
Yeah, that's a wrap. Pretty happy that project is checked off the
Me
list.
too. It's been a long time
It's been a
coming.
long time coming. It didn't even take that long. We'll be back tomorrow with our Friday plant chat. So we always highlight one new plant is somewhere in our yard on Fridays. So come on by to see which plant we're highlighting and have a great day.
Have a great day, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.